Hello everyone, I recently created a new plugin, GitHub the WordPress Sync. I needed this plugin because I create tons of themes and plugins. I develop them, I need to test them all the time. And most of the time, honestly, testing on the local or testing on the live is not the same thing. Because when we test on the local, like Apache or MySQL or PHP versions are a little bit different, configurations or extensions are a little bit different. It is never 100% correct test when we make localhost test only. So that's why we need this, okay? So let me show you guys how to install it and how it works. So the releases are on GitHub only. I'm gonna put the link on the description. So let's enable the plugin, activate it, easy. So it adds a sub menu. I didn't want to create a new menu, no need, it can be hidden somewhere. So I already added this, let me delete that, let me edit again. So when we open this first time, there will be an empty page like that, and we need to add the project. So let's add the SNM bricks because I'm working on that most of the time. Just copy paste the GitHub link, and after that select the theme or plugin. By the way, please do test if you developing a plugin. I don't have much time these days. I'm working on my themes at the moment, so it would be nice. Please test it. Send me a bug report, okay? And it's possible to fetch the branches. And we can select different branches, staging, easy. And let's add that, boom. And after that, we can see and sync the project, sync the GitHub. It is two ways to do it, but I like the history way. It is possible to like check the update, if there is any update, sync it. That's possible, but like I said, I like the history method. It opens last 50 commits. And I can literally see, like, as long as I write a comment on the commit, I can see which commit I can go back to or go forward to. For example, I think I am around here somewhere. And let's install the latest commit. Boom. The latest commit is now installed, and after that, if we check the history again, we can see which commit we are currently in. So it is possible to jump back and forward, all of that possible. I think this is the best methodology to like develop the live themes and plugins, like at least like real world test. Like this is the way to go. Like I was thinking about like making fully auto updates. For example, like after I push a commit here, I can make automatically push here too to the plugin. But I don't think that's a good idea. Like I was thinking about adding the setting, but yeah, for now I'm gonna keep that because it is possible to send a broken commit. So we don't want to do that on the live. Or on the staging anyway. So that's it. This is the plugin. That's how it works. And if you use it, please test it and send me bug reports if you guys find any. Okay. See you guys on the next one. Bye.